This cream is used to treat dandruff and other skin conditions such as seborrheic dermatitis. It is also used to treat certain bacterial skin infections associated with these conditions. When using Ovace Plus cream, it's important to remember that it is meant for application on the skin only. Be careful to avoid getting any of the cream in your eyes, nose, or mouth. The directions for using Ovace Plus cream may vary depending on the brand you are prescribed. Your doctor will instruct you on how to apply the cream, but typically it is applied as a thin layer to the affected area twice daily for 8 to 10 days. As your condition improves, your doctor may adjust the frequency of treatment to once or twice weekly, or every other week to maintain control. If you don't see improvement or if your condition worsens, be sure to contact your doctor for further instructions. If you experience skin irritation, stinging, or burning, it's important to consult your doctor. This medication has been prescribed because the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects, and many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Serious side effects may include severe redness or scaling of the skin, muscle or joint aches. If you notice any of these, it's important to inform your doctor right away. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's essential to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as fever, rash, itching or swelling, dizziness, unusual tiredness, yellowing of the skin or eyes, stomach pain, nausea, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects that are not listed, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you experience any side effects, it's important to consult your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you may report side effects to FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. And in Canada, you may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Ovace Plus cream, it's important to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, other sulfa drugs, or if you have any other allergies. This cream may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's essential to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Also, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have asthma. Using this cream for prolonged or repeated periods may result in a secondary infection, so it's crucial to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. During pregnancy, Ovace Plus cream should only be used when clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so it's essential to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Ovace Plus cream, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can affect how the medication works and may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. It's essential to seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. One specific product that may interact with Ovace Plus cream is preparations containing silver. Be sure to discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider to ensure the safe and effective use of this medication. In terms of the best time to apply Ovace Plus cream, it is typically recommended to use it as directed by your doctor. The daily dosage and frequency of application will depend on the specific condition being treated. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully for the best results. If this cream is accidentally swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or the local poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can contact their provincial poison control center. It's important to remember not to share Ovace Plus cream with anyone else. This medication is specifically prescribed for you and should not be used by anyone else. If you forget to use Ovace Plus cream at the scheduled time, use it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, then skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Do not apply a double dose to make up for the missed one. Be sure to store Ovace Plus cream at room temperature, and keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of the cream in the toilet or drain unless instructed to do so. When the cream is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.